Boo's here. My first video, you saw spraying gun, and second video, you saw the Spider-Man mask. Today we're actually gonna try to do some headshots for the spraying gun. I know I already talked about it, but I want to talk about it again. Headshot. Okay. Ow. Let's go. Okay. Can't. Headshot. Okay, nice. Spraying loaded again. Sorry, Dad, but I think I gotta do a headshot. Boom.
Well, this is it. They have to do gotta be in the box.
Okay. Sorry, guys. It was such a short video today. Gotta go see my sister out.
Looks that way.
Yes, isn't there a set of holes there, right? What happened?
You remember this? Hasta la vista, baby.